One on the off. Chopped it on. Trying to go out from behind. Ryan McLaren is very happy with that. Afridi is feeling by the looks of things, Afridi, but he is still...
It wasn't no goal. Oh, it's more.
And berserk.
Absolutely, it's just been on the wing.
रुको जरा सबर करो सुकून का नाम सुना है हाय हाय इतना सुकून सुकून का नाम सुना है हाय हाय इतना सुकून